Welcome to Smart Finance Investor, your ultimate destination for mastering personal finance and investing. Today, we're about to embark on a transformational journey into the world of passive income. We're diving deep into digital products and online courses, creating and selling your expertise. Imagine turning your knowledge into a continuous stream of revenue that can change your financial landscape. So, get ready, because we're about to unlock the secrets to making passive income work for you. Part 1. The power of passive income. Before we delve into specifics, let's talk about the allure of passive income. It's that feeling of waking up to your bank account growing, even as you sleep. It's about creating assets that keep generating income, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. And today, we're going to explore how you can harness the power of digital products and online courses to achieve this financial freedom. A. Discuss the concept of passive income and its significance in achieving financial goals. B. Highlight the benefits of generating income while not actively working. C. Introduce the topics of creating digital products and online courses as avenues for passive income. Part 2. The world of digital products. Let's start by understanding world of digital products. These can range from e-books and downloadable guides to customizable templates and printables. The key is to offer solutions to your audience's specific problems. By creating digital products that address their pain points, you not only provide value but also create a revenue stream that aligns with your expertise. A. Define digital products and their diversity, including e-books, templates, guides, and more. B. Explain the importance of identifying audience pain points and addressing them through your products. C. Emphasize the value of offering practical and actionable solutions. Part 3. Crafting compelling online courses. Now, let's dive into the realm of online courses. These are not just about sharing information, they're about creating transformational experiences for your audience. We'll explore how to structure your course, from setting clear learning objectives to designing engaging lessons. The goal is to guide your learners from novice to expert in your chosen subject. A. Introduce online courses as a comprehensive learning platform for in-depth knowledge. B. Discuss the structure of a successful online course, including modules, lessons, assessments, and practical activities. C. Emphasize the role of online courses in guiding learners towards mastery. Part 4. Identifying your audience's pain points. Your audience's needs are at the heart of your success. We'll discuss strategies to identify their pain points, desires, and challenges. By connecting with your audience on a deeper level, you can create digital products and courses that resonate with them on a personal level, driving engagement and sales. A. Explain the importance of understanding your audience's demographics and preferences. B. Share methods for conducting surveys, analyzing comments, and engaging with your audience to gather insights. C. Highlight the role of empathy in creating content that truly addresses your audience's needs. Part 5. Creating high-quality content. Quality content is non-negotiable. Whether you are designing visually appealing e-book covers or recording engaging video lessons, we'll explore techniques to ensure your content stands out. The goal is to provide exceptional value while maintaining your unique voice and perspective. A. Share design tips for creating eye-catching visuals for your digital products. B. Discuss the importance of delivering content that is both informative and engaging. C. Provide examples of how to create compelling video lessons and interactive content for your courses. Part 6. Pricing strategies for success. How you price your products and courses can significantly impact your success. We'll dive into the art of pricing, from understanding the perceived value of your offerings to finding that sweet spot that entices your audience without undervaluing your expertise. A. Explain the concept of perceived value and how it influences pricing decisions. B. Discuss different pricing models, such as one-time payments, subscription models, and tiered pricing. C. Share tips for experimenting with pricing strategies to find the optimal balance between value and affordability. Part 7. Effective marketing and promotion. Launching your products and courses is only half the battle. Effective marketing is the other crucial component. We'll cover social media strategies, email marketing tactics, collaborations, and even the power of webinars to create buzz and drive sales. A. Introduce the importance of pre-launch marketing to build anticipation. B. Discuss strategies for leveraging social media platforms to promote your products and courses. C. Highlight the benefits of collaborations with influencers and industry experts to expand your reach. Part 8. Choosing the right platform. Selecting the right platform for hosting your digital products and courses is pivotal. We'll discuss various platforms, their features, and the importance of user experience. A seamless platform not only enhances your brand's credibility but also provides a smooth learning experience for your audience. A. Discuss factors to consider when choosing a platform, including ease of use, payment options, and customization options. B. Share personal insights and experiences with using specific platforms for hosting content. Part 9. Nurturing customer relationships. Post-purchase engagement is essential for building a loyal audience. We'll dive into strategies for offering exceptional customer support, creating engaging communities, and gathering feedback. These interactions will not only enhance the learning experience but also provide insights for continuous improvement. A. Explain the significance of providing ongoing support to customers who purchase your products and courses. B. Share strategies for creating an engaged community where learners can interact and share their experiences. C. Discuss the benefits of gathering feedback and using it to enhance your offerings over time. As we wrap up, you're now armed with the tools and insights to transform your expertise into a thriving online venture. The world of digital products and online courses holds immense potential for passive income, and it's up to you to seize this opportunity and unlock your financial freedom. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, every step you take towards mastering passive income brings you closer to achieving your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your path to prosperity.